Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man. Today you will hear a quick update from me because I have some special things to talk about, and this is a really quick update, I promise you guys. So let's start this analysis now. Let's go. So what you're watching here is the 1 hour time frame, and what can we see? First of all, we have a really big thing to watch. This is this big resistance area. I will tell you, this is for the moment one of the biggest things to watch. Why it is so a big thing, guys? Let me show you. First of all, a resistance area is always a red one. We have to put it to a red line. We have to fill it with red. This is our big thing to watch. Why is this resistance so important? The price for this one and this resistance, not the price, but the price level is 39,600. We need to watch this. It was a really big support here. Here we lost it. Here the fight again. Here the spike again. Again. And the fake out yesterday again to the upside. So the big question is, guys, can we break over 39,600? I will put a long position, a new one. If we can break over 39,600, this is the next thing what I'm watching on the 1 hour time frame. And guys, look at this. We have a nice parallel channel to the upside. This is our little hope now for building now a nice bottom here, and for breaking out to the upside, we need to break 39,600. And what else can we watch? We have to go a little bit deeper in this chart picture here. Let's go in the 15-minute time frame, because on the 15-minute time frame, we need to watch this one. We have a line to watch. This is this line. This is our trend line to the downside. We can draw it like this one. It is a big support, yes, of course, on the 15-minute time frame. And what else can we make? We can make a line from the upside over these points here to the downside, something like this one here. It's a downgoing parallel channel. It's a falling wedge. You can tell it like you would like to tell it, guys, or to name it. This is the big thing now we need to watch. We saw yesterday a fake out. It was really dangerous for the long position. I longed this here to the upside. I made 2%. I set a stop loss here on the downside and I went out of the trade. Now the same thing is happening again. The big question is, once again, can we go higher now? Can we break out over 39,600? Yes or no? That's the big thing what we need to watch now. Here it was a fake out, a nice spike to this. I did not sell it. I was hoping for a breakout over this because I had a nice long position. I set a stop loss a little bit under this, only 2% plus, but 2% plus is better as nothing. And now I'm waiting what's going on. I longed once again here on the downside, waiting what's going on here. You can see it's a hard fight now in this area here. So the big question, yes, once again, can we break 39.6? Yes or no? Let's check the ribbon band really quick. Today I will make it really quick. I have a nice video for IOTA out there. It's over 22 minutes, but it's really important to watch it if you would like to know what's going on with IOTA. Maybe a nice tip to buy into the bottom. It's possible, but we are here watching Bitcoin. So EMA ribbon band. What's going on with the EMA ribbon band on the 15-minute time frame? And what can we see on the 15-minute time frame? For the moment, it's looking not so bad. For the moment, we see we are back over the EMA 200. We are back over the ribbon band. We are fighting a little bit with the ribbon band, but ribbon band and EMA 200 are here as a support. So it's not looking so bad, guys. If we are watching the line chart, we can make one thing. Let me forget the ribbon band for a moment. Let me draw it here like this. On the line chart, we can draw it like this one, a broadening falling wedge, something like this one. Not so really beautiful, but you can see this is our big stuff, and we need to break out again over this area. We need to break out again over 39,200. Okay, no, we need to break 39,600 here to the upside. Confirmed. That's really important. Let's dive directly into the action in the 1 hour time frame. If we are watching the 1 hour time frame, let me show you what's the big thing. Let's watch the EMA ribbon band, and what can we see for the moment? Yes, nice. We are fighting with the ribbon band. Yesterday, the fake out, bam, down again. The next fight, no confirmed closing candle here. And that's so important, guys. We have long wicks to the upside. These long wicks are showing us, damn, we are going down. And yes, we went down. Here, long wicks to the upside, down again. Long wicks to the downside, guys, you know it. a sign for a pump. And these are now really unsure closing candles. Dojis, the big question is, can we move on to the upside or will we fall down again? For the moment, we are fighting over the ribbon band, and this is really, really nice for the moment, guys. We need to watch this. On the 4-hour time frame, the ribbon band is here as a big resistance, and this is the fight now once again with the ribbon band. Yesterday, we saw here a big spike here directly into the ribbon band, second line, third line, bam, down again. Now we are here on the third line, no confirmed closing candle in the ribbon band, bam, down again. That's the big question now, guys. If we can move on to the upside, we have here to watch the EMA 200 on the 4-hour time frame, 40,400. And yes, guys, you know it, 40,000 is one of the biggest things to watch. We need to break 40,000 first. We need to break 39,600. If we would like to watch the Fibonacci from the downside to the upside, what can we see? And that's really important now on this time frame, 4-hour. We are fighting over, and that's really important, over this Fibonacci, 0.618 Fibonacci. The price is 38,560, and that's this support line. You can see it here. Perfect spike, spike, fight, spike. So it's an important line, and we are back again over this. In my opinion, it's possible to see a nice breakout here to the upside. It's possible to see a nice breakout if we can break over this one here. Here's the next Fibonacci, this one, and then the fight with the EMA, and then the fight with the next Fibonacci, and come on, Bitcoin, go up now. I know it, guys, the news are not good. I know everything about the world. I know Ukraine and so on and so on. It's not good, but let's be a little bit positive, bullish with Bitcoin, and let's make a nice move to the upside. You know it, we have the middle line to watch. This is a really big resistance. Let me call it 42,700. Here's the 0.236 Fibonacci line and also the middle line. Guys, a really nice short update. Do you like this one, these short updates? Please leave a comment. This would be really nice for me. Or would you like to hear more what's going on? Would you like to see what's going on with our indicators? We have the TDI. We have so much things to watch. Here a really quick view on the TDI. It's really important because TDI is going up there over the middle line. You can see it. We are coming up here near to our Bollinger Band, to the end of the Bollinger Band. So big question, can we break up more, or yes or no? That's the big thing on the 4-hour time frame. And on the 1-hour time frame, a really big watch here. We are in a bullish divergence. We see the RSI is going up. We see the Bitcoin price is going down. Can we break out with this 1-hour bullish divergence to the upside? I hope this, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti, and please watch and visit my live stream. Streaming live 20 hours, 7 days a week. Bitcoin Trading Informant is the name, live on YouTube, live on Twitch, and I hope we see us there, guys. Bye. Not a financial advice. Ciao, ciao.
System activated.